Hey, you. Real quick question. Would you pay for the design you just made? Like, be honest. Would you send that to a client and feel good about it? If the answer is anything less than a confident yes, you need to keep watching this video. Hey guys, if your answer was no to that question, I've got you. Today, I'm breaking down 5 ways to make your funeral program designs look professional, even if you're just getting started. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how the Creators Hub can literally save you hours and make your designs look 10 times better faster, okay? Let's go. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Fonts. If you know me and if you watched our other tutorials or you're following us on Patreon, you know I always talk about fonts. These is one of the fastest ways to lose credibility is with a font party on your layout, okay? Stick to one or two fonts max, okay? So I usually do a clean serif or sans serif font for the body and then one script or like a decorative font for headings or just names in general, okay? And if you're not sure what two fonts to pair, inside the Creators Hub, if you are a member, you will see that we include like font pairing cheat sheets and color codes, so you got all the tools you need. The next tip I got for you is to stick to a cohesive color palette, okay? Your color palette should match the mood, and this is sometimes because sometimes people will request certain colors if you're doing something custom, but overall, like the templates and all, it should just match the mood. So soft pink, grays, lavender, I always think about for something like gentle, especially like light colors. And then dark colors like deep navy, burgundy, and gold is for something more formal. If you mix in too many random colors, the whole design just starts to feel off. Also, inside the Creators Hub, if you are a member, we did pair different color fonts. I mean, different colors for you guys to use. So definitely check that out. And if you are not a member, I highly recommend that you join us. I'll link it below. Okay, guys, tip 3. Now let's talk about layout. I know sometimes we want to fit everything in one spot, but please give your design space to breathe. White space is good, okay? Don't ever think just because something is blank and like spacey that is just not good enough, okay? Use even margins, clean spacing between sections, and keep everything aligned. If you don't, it looks so unprofessional and just like your whole brand is just like a joke. So just make sure you got that under wraps, okay? Okay, guys, so the next one is a non-negotiable, and this is to use high resolution images. Nothing ruins a beautiful layout faster than a blurry photo or a pixelated photo, okay? So sometimes the family doesn't have this and it's okay. Maybe sometimes you got to work with what you got, but if you can help it and then if you let them know like, "Hey, I need a better photo," and if it is, then you did good. But if sometimes people just don't have good photos like that, so you can of course work with the photo. It's plenty of things out there that you can do to fix photos like that. But yeah, overall, just make sure when you're selling things or selling templates that you are using high quality photos, hence why we generate AI images. Okay guys, so lastly, make sure that you proofread, okay? You do not want someone's names misspelled on the program. Double check your text and check it again. Now, if you don't offer like proofreading as a part of like your design services, that's fine. Just make sure that you let the family know. Also, this does not just apply to funeral programs, of course. With anything that you're designing for somebody professionally, just make sure that everything is spelled right and it makes sense. So, whether you're brand new to this or you're just trying to tighten up your workflow, these are 5 easy ways to make funeral program designs look clean, polished, and professional. If you want to access all the tools, courses, and design resources in one place, head over to the Epic Art Designs Creators Hub. We have a great community over there. If you're just getting your feet wet and want to learn the basics first, grab the $3 mini course. Both links are in the descriptions, and let me know in the comments which tip helped you the most. See you on the next one.